Let's get into it. 1971 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale Convertible. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels, guys. Paint is in good condition. Frame and floor pans are solid. Interior is beautiful. She has the big block 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. And if you ever see a classic with these louvers in a deck lid, that let you know it's a 71. They only came on the 71 model year, and GM got away from it after that. What up, big dog? As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good condition. She has power windows, power locks. Seats nice and clean. Back seat in good condition also. Convertible top functions as it should. Mileage reached a little over 87,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the Olds big block 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. Gave her a little gas. Make sure y'all go check out RollerMuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.